Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to apply Backsplash tile from the dollar store. My cabinets have wood grain texture, cream colored contact paper I got off Amazon, as well as the handles, which you can go and watch in my previous videos. And here is how it turned out. I think everything came together nicely. For this to be a dollar store tile project, it held up pretty good. I did have a few that lifted around the edges, but I took care of that with double-sided tape. This Backsplash tile I had to order off Dollar Tree's website because the Dollar Tree stores had ran out. I recently went back on the website and these tiles were no longer available on the site. It said in stores purchases only. And this brand is the Main Street Wall Creation Peel and Stick Wall Decal with 24 pieces to a box. I also replaced these light switch plates. I either got them from Lowe's or Home Depot. And the items I used to complete this project were an X-Acto knife, a measuring tape, a lever, scissors, and a blow dryer. And later in this video, I came back to this corner because it was best to start from the outside in, just in case you came up too short on the outside of the wall. I guess you can say I was feeling myself. I just love how this turned out. This is the look I was going for, and satisfied indeed. And here's the complete look. I wish I could have gotten a better picture, but one day after work, I pulled out my phone and started recording. I hope you like this video, and the full name of the dollar store tile I use will be in the description box below. And if you haven't already, go check out the video with me applying this contact paper. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below.